If I were a content creator, I would uploading a video game or anything like Minecraft, Roblox, and other games. In my opinion, I like review uh, rev- reviewing the video games because I like playing games in my PC and my phone and my favorite game is I think in Roblox. The map is car driving Indonesian simulator and pilot training simulator. Uh,
Okay. What else? Tell me more about your content. What will it be?
I will review the maps in Roblox and play Minecraft like the server. In the server, like I play Bed Wars, Pillar of Fortune, Bomber, and anything. Uh, why um
The reason why do you choose that topic, that content?
I picked this content because it's not hard to recording and editing. I think because and uh, and I chose this content because I like uh, playing video games. And why I like car driving simulator Indonesia because I like drawing a car model or ve- vehicle model
Vehicle.
vehicle model and in CDID I can modify modification the car, the Indonesian car and uh, grinding to uh, and that uh, I like Minecraft because many my friend I have I think 5 or 7 my friend is playing a Minecraft server and they have a private server. I can play with them and I like inspired by I think like Beacon Cream. That's a YouTuber. Uh, it's a popular YouTuber in Minecraft.
Okay. Okay, good job for your sharing about your content. Miss Kiki mau ada koreksian ya. Jadi tadi pertama Fasi bilang if I were a content creator, I would reviewing gitu ya. Jadi setelah kata I would itu diikuti to terus apa namanya verb one. Oh sorry, tidak pakai to. Jadi I would review gitu ya. I would review jadi tanpa ing ya. Terus yang play in my PC ya kan. PC itu benda datar sama kayak smartphone, handphone.
Huh?
Jadi kita bilangnya on.
On.
On ya. Terus tadi ada kata I modification. Ya, harusnya cukup
Modify.
I modify. Iya, kata kerjanya modify. Kalau modification itu lebih ke noun ya,
Ketepat.
benda ya. Terus satu lagi tadi yang inspired by ya. Tadi pasti sempat bilangnya inspired by gitu ya. Jadi harusnya inspired terinspirasi oleh gitu ya. Oke, udah bagus sekali. Jadi kamu udah banyak perubahan nih, udah mengurangi pegang hidung, bagus banget ya. Berarti artinya kamu sudah mulai nyaman untuk ngomong, tinggal terus berlatih lagi ya. Dijalanin nggak eh, trik dan tips dari Miss Kiki?
Jalanin sih kadang-kadang.
Ya misalnya kamu lagi nggak usah di depan kamera atau nggak usah di depan cermin, cukup misalnya kamu lagi di meja makan nih, ada nasi goreng atau ada roti, ya udah ngomong aja 3 menit aja kayak tadi. I want to eat this fried rice. This fried rice was made by my mom. Gitu. This fried rice is delicious. I like fried rice because kayak tadi alasannya why you like it, or if there is another breakfast menu on your dining table, which one that you don't really like? Oh, I don't really like toast misalnya. Because gitu ya. Oke, bagus sekali. Oke, next. That's the first topic. If I were a content creator, now we move to another topic. Tell me about your favorite foods. Uh, why do you like those foods? I said what are, so you have to mention more than one. Your favorite foods. Yep. Okay. Mm-mm. And why do you like it? And if you know the foods that you like are made from what? Ya. Oke. Kita coba ya. Okay, you can start now.
My favorite food is first
R.
uh, pizza. First pizza. Second is ramen, and the third is like noodle. First pizza. I like pizza because it's salty. It's little bit spicy thing, and it's yummy. Uh, pizza is pizza is made but pizza is made of I think, like tomatoes, um, tomatoes, like more vegetable, like uh, I think beef or anything. And pizza here is have a more type like a vegetable pizza, uh, vegan pizza, I think, like cheese pizza, and like a beef pizza. Okay, the second food, second my favorite foods are ramen. Why I like ramen? Because it's I think it's not so spicy and not spicy, and it's salty and uh, uh, the the ramen is made by uh, the made by the ramen is made of uh,
What do you want to say in Indonesia?
wait, I think
I can help you.
um,
Tepung,
huh?
tepung,
Eh,
flour.
It's made of a flour. I think the uh
Okay,
of
what do you want to say in bahasa? Say it in bahasa.
bumbu. Bumbu.
Bumbu, seasoning.
It's made of seasoning and okay. The ramen is have any type like a pizza and okay. The third favorite foods. I like noodle because it's like a ramen, but I think it's not so delicious and it it's salt and I think noodles is have a type like noodles, spicy noodles and like shrimp noodles and any country have the traditional noodles and I the noodles made of like a ramen with flour, 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 and like a seasoning. Uh, that
Okay. Okay, thank you for your sharing. So your favorite foods are
uh, first is
pizza,
pizza, ramen,
ramen, and
and noodles.
noodles. Oke. Tadi Miss Kiki mau koreksi, ada banyak kata mempunyai, ya kan? Mempunyai itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Hmm, yeah, pizza.
Oke, have. Tapi kalau yang pakai misalnya satu jenis benda berarti pakainya jadi has. Pizza has gitu ya. Udah bukan have lagi. Terus karena ini kata kerja, jadi kita tidak pakai yang is MR. Kita langsung pizza has a lot of variants, misalnya a lot of toppings gitu. Jadi langsung kata kerja have atau has-nya itu dipakai tanpa is ya. Awalnya kan tadi Fasi bilang pizza is have gitu ya. Jadi kita langsung ganti pizza has gitu. Oke? Jadi itu kata kerja. Jadi tidak bersinggungan dengan is MR, tidak kita pasang. Okay, now I want to ask about your favorite foods. Which pizza, which pizza toppings that you really like the most?
Um, uh, my favorite pizza type, I think, like
Hmm?
pizza type is like cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza. Oh, why do you like?
I like it pizza, cheese pizza, no, because uh, I because I I don't like vegetable in pizza because I think it's not cocok.
It's not
Cocok.
cocok. It's not suit. Suit. It's
It's
not
not
suit.
sweet. And the cheese in the pizza is I think it's the most of the perfect pizza.
Okay, so you like cheese pizza. Is there another topping besides cheese on your cheese pizza?
Yeah,
Like maybe
like yeah,
pepperoni?
pepperoni,
Mm,
cheese, and I think lot of tomato sauce.
tomato sauce. Okay. Or do you know the other name of tomato sauce?
But I don't know.
Ketchup.
Ketch, ketchup.
Okay, ketchup. Okay, so if you want to make a pizza, what will you need?
I need a flour.
Oke, flour.
Flour.
Pengucapannya seperti kata bunga
Bunga.
ya. flour to make dough,
the
rotinya ya, dough itu.
the-
And then
and then
the topping,
The
what
topping.
are there in the topping?
the ketchup,
Or tomato sauce is
tomato
okay.
sauce. Pepperoni and cheese, and the pizza.
After that
After that, the pizza is
harus dipanggang, apa bilangnya? Has to
the pizza has to
baked.
bake.
Pakai verb 3 has to bake.
Has to bake in the oven.
Okay. And then how about ramen? Yeah, okay, ramen. What kind of ramen do you like? Spicy or you don't like spicy?
Yeah, I don't like spicy.
Mm,
My favorite ramen type is I think like the ramen is
What what are there in your ramen bowl? What are there? Sebutin.
the ramen has a noodles.
Of course.
Yes.
What else?
Uh,
In your bowl. Kurangin pegangin ujungnya. What else? Ada apa lagi?
kuah. Kuah
Soup.
and has a salty soup, I think. And done, I think.
Are you sure? How about the egg?
The egg and I think like
How about the vegetable? I think there is a little vegetable there.
yeah. Wait.
You order without vegetable or still there is vegetable there in your bowl?
A lot of vegetable, I think.
Okay.
And
You don't like vegetable, but if there are some vegetables in your ramen, you will eat.
yeah.
Okay.
And dried kelp, I think. Kelp. And then I think.
Okay. How about the protein? Protein. Is there beef slice or some kind like chicken slice in your ramen?
I think.
No?
I think no.
Okay. Okay, and the last about your favorite noodles, instant noodles, yeah.
It's yeah.
Okay, what flavor do you like?
I think I like uh the brand is Indomie.
What flavor do you like?
Flavor I like flavor. It's in Indonesian language.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's Indomie. Kari ayam.
Okay.
Rendang
Mm-mm.
and ayam bawang.
Okay. Okay. If you want to say it in English, how do you say? Kari ayam. Chicken?
Chicken curry.
Yeah, okay, chicken curry. And then
And
ayam bawang.
onion, chicken onion.
Itu bawang merah apa bawang putih ya? Sepertinya bawang putih ya. Kalau bawang putih apa? Garlic.
Garlic.
Jadi
Garlic
chicken. Okay. Kalau rendang nggak ada diganti ke bahasa Inggris ya, tetap rendang ya. Okay, so how often? Oh sorry, not how often. How many times does your mom allow you to eat instant noodles in a week? How many times?
I think
Once.
time.
Satu kali itu once.
Yeah, once time.
Okay.
Because that's No, because that's not healthy.
Ya, betul. That's not healthy. So your mom only allow you to eat once ya. Jadi jangan dikasih time lagi, cukup once
Once.
itu artinya sudah one time ya. Kalau 2 kali, how do you say?
To
Twice kita
twice.
bilangnya twice. Setelah 2 kali, 3 kali dan ke atas ke selanjutnya baru pakai times, 3 times, 4 times gitu ya. Untuk 1 kali, jadi tadi kita nyebutnya apa?
Once.
Once, 2 kali.
Twice.
Oke, ya. Oke, and then do you always prepare your instant noodle by yourself or you ask your mom or your
By yourself. After
Mhm.
that, I
by myself?
yeah, by myself.
Okay, can you cook it?
Yeah, I can cook it.
Okay, how do you serve your instant noodle?
Huh?
Serve, menyajikan.
First, after the noodle is, I think,
Oke, coba tell me the step how to cook instant noodle. Kamu bisa pakai yang pertama conjunctionnya next, then after that, nanti terakhirnya baru pakai finally gitu. Oke,
first, prepare the panci apa ya?
panci itu pot.
The pot with water and nyalakan itu.
Panaskan, heat
Heat
the water.
the water and put the noodle.
Mm-mm.
So that preparing the
Piring, plate. Prepare
preparing
the plate.
prepare the plate
Mm-mm.
and then put the
Seasonings.
seasonings in the plate.
On
the plate.
The plate, okay.
After that,
Mm-mm.
wait. The noodles is my take is 3 or 5 minutes. After that, put the noodles with saringan.
Okay, put on yours,
On
on my plate.
plate.
Uh-huh.
And finally, after that, campur apa ya? Mix the seasoning. Mix the seasoning with the noodles, and finally, the noodles is ready to eat.
Okay, good job. You explain the step very well. Okay. Thank you, Fasi.